Hello everyone, let's now move further with another activity. Here I'm taking this white sheet of the paper and I'm just folding and creating some of the creases out of it. All these creases are to be kept together and I'm just fixing them at the proper position using the thread. You can even make use of the elastic rubber bands that you have. Then you just have to reopen it and see how I'm just giving them a curvy type of the look. These are going to represent some of the petals of this flower. This type of the activity is best suitable for the kids between the age group of 11 to 12. You can definitely give it a try. It looks so nice and easy. It's a little bit time consuming. Difficulty level is somewhat medium difficult. You may require a toothpick for this one so that you can give the edges a curvy type of the look. Don't forget to just trim some of the leaves out of it. Once these are to be trimmed, just fix them at the proper position using the glue stick. It's time to create a stalk also so that the flower sits on it. Let's move further with another activity. Here I'm taking this pattern sheet of the paper that's square in shape. After that you just have to fold it and make some of the creases out of it. Then you just have to reopen it. Just pause the video so that you don't get confused at any particular step. Follow the each step in a sequential manner. Don't skip any step here because if you will skip one step you will not be able to convert this DIY bowl. Let's move further with another activity. I'm taking the sheet of the paper, just folding it, making some of the creases out of it. Now with the help of the scissors, I'm trimming some of the edges because I want to give it a perfect shape of the petals as shown here. You just have to trim some of the lines so that the petals are created in a proper manner. This type of the activity is best suitable for the kids between the age group of 9 to 11 years. Be careful while you are making use of the scissors because you don't have to hurt yourself. You just have to take care of your hands while you're trimming and making these petals properly. Then with the help of this stick you just have to fix them one after the another as shown on your screen so that our flower looks so beautiful and rare. Then place the stalk and the leaves. Let's move with this type of the activity. Here I'm taking the square sheet of the paper that's fawn shade. After that just fold it and create a mini square out of it. The square is ready, then you just have to make another folds and then reopen all these folds one after the another. Just pause the video and follow the each step in a sequential manner. After that you just have to fix it properly and convert it into this DIY box. You just can create the heart shape out of it. The choice is all yours. Thank you.